Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're in my house. Yeah. And well, I don't really got much to do, so that's why I'm doing this vlog. And well, earlier I came home right, and I was like, I'm having a good day. And when I got home, I found out that my dog had chewed up my shoes. I got real dark. Hold on, give me a second. There we go, that's a little better. My camera sucks, so sorry. But yeah. And so when I got home, my dog had chewed up my shoes. And it kind of ruined my day. Now I have a big old mess in my room. Look, watch, I'm gonna show you. Look. Well, if you can tell, he messed up everything. I gotta chew up my shoe. Look, let me show you. Chew up the tip. Messed up that. Messed up my laces. At least you didn't chew on the tongue, cause then I had to get new shoes. She's probably gonna have to get new laces. Alright guys, well that was an update on my life right now. But like and subscribe.